Hi folks, Mike Sullivan with Florida Homes. Wanted to just do a quick walkthrough of this new home out in Cinnamon Hills Estates in High Springs. So let's take a look. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. As you enter the main living area through the front door, you have a formal dining area to your left. Nice light fixtures. Nice backyard. This home is on an acre lot, and you'll find that in Cinnamon Hills Estates, homes are there are some homes on 5-acre lots and some on 1 acre. The newer construction tends to be on the 1-acre lots. This is a room that could be used for an office. And we'll go down the hall here. It is a split floor plan. And we have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on this side of the house. This is the first bedroom, and you can see has its own bath with full shower and tub. Nice bathroom there. And then you go across the hall and we have the second bedroom here. This bedroom is on the front of the house. And the bath, which would be the bath for this bedroom. Also, this bath would be used as the guest bath. Then we'll walk over here to the kitchen. You see the backyard here goes out to the neighbor's area, and you have a very spacious area there which could be fenced if you had a dog or a pet of some type. Nice granite counters, looks like walnut cabinets, stainless steel appliances here. Kitchen leads right off to the formal dining room. And then you have a pantry. That's a pretty good sized pantry off of the kitchen. We'll go into the master bedroom, which is carpeted, as is all the bedrooms. And it has its own bath as well, with a shower that's a walk-in shower with a rain head. Little sitting area there, which is very nice. You have double vanities with a stone countertop and a sunken tub, jetted tub there. The closet is a walk-in closet, which is very spacious. This would be his side. This would be her side. And we'll take a look upstairs. Off of the master is your laundry area. It is a total electric home. And then you have a bonus room up the stairs here. This is a good sized bonus room or game room. There is not a closet up here, although it has been wired for TV. And you have a half bath right off of this room.